little bit surprised at how many doctor couples I've worked with. I've had probably 4 pairs of couples negotiating at the same time. And then even above and beyond that, I'll be talking to a client and then their spouse is a doctor who's in the background. So I'm just shocked at how many couples of doctors there are. But I think the primary considerations there would be making sure that you are both aligned on your timing. The tough thing with getting your first offers sometimes is that they'll come in at these weird intervals. First and foremost, get your timing lined up. The most frequent thing that I write for doctors is, I need more time. I'm super grateful for the offer. I'm swamped with training, family, personal, blah, blah, blah. I need more time. We've never had that request denied. And just to be sure, when we write those things to employers, we write it to the doctor, and then the doctor sends it to the employer. So we're not seen or heard by your employers. I would say get your timing synced up. And then, I know you didn't say this, but if you're in the same employer, your power is amplified. Because now it's not just the revenue that one doctor could bring, it's the revenue that 2 doctors can bring.